Headmaster, headmaster, headmaster. The headmaster gave a speech to welcome the new students. Headmistress, headmistress, headmistress. The headmistress is very kind and supportive to all students. Lecturer, lecturer, lecturer. The lecturer explained the topic clearly to the university students. Teacher, teacher, teacher. Our teacher always encourages us to ask questions. Teaching assistant, teaching assistant, teaching assistant. The teaching assistant helped students understand the difficult math problem. Intern, intern, intern. The intern is learning how to manage a classroom effectively. Monitor, monitor, monitor. The monitor collects homework from all the students every morning. Vice monitor, vice monitor, vice monitor. The vice monitor helps the teacher manage classroom activities. Secretary, secretary, secretary. The secretary took notes during the school meeting. Student, student, student. The student asked a lot of questions during the science lesson. Pupil, pupil, pupil. The pupil painted a beautiful picture for the art competition. Biologist, biologist, biologist. The biologist studies how plants adapt to their environment. Botanist, botanist, botanist. The botanist discovered a new species of flowering plants. Chemist, chemist, chemist. The chemist is working on a formula to develop better medicines. Lab technician, lab technician, lab technician. The lab technician prepared the samples for the experiment. Meteorologist, meteorologist, meteorologist. The meteorologist predicted heavy rain for the weekend. Physicist, physicist, physicist. The physicist is researching quantum mechanics. Researcher, researcher, researcher. The researcher is conducting a study on renewable energy. Scientist, scientist, scientist. The scientist presented her findings at an international conference. Barrister, barrister, barrister. The barrister defended his client in court with strong evidence. Bodyguard, bodyguard, bodyguard. The celebrity hired a bodyguard to ensure her safety during public events. Customs officer, customs officer, customs officer. The customs officer checked the traveler's luggage at the airport. Detective, detective, detective. The detective solved the mystery after gathering all the clues. Judge, judge, judge. The judge announced the verdict after carefully reviewing the case. Lawyer, lawyer, lawyer. The lawyer helped his client win the case by presenting strong evidence. Police officer, police officer, police officer. The police officer quickly arrived at the scene of the accident. Prison officer. Prison officer. Prison officer. The prison officer is responsible for maintaining order in the facility. Private detective. Private detective. Private detective. The private detective was hired to investigate the missing persons case. Security officer. Security officer. Security officer. The security officer checked the bags of all visitors before they entered the building. Solicitor. 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 The solicitor advised the couple on the legal aspects of their business. Accountant. 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 The accountant reviewed the company's financial records to prepare for tax season. Brand director. Brand director. Brand director. The brand director worked closely with the marketing team to develop a new ad campaign. Business manager. Business manager. Business manager. The business manager oversees the daily operations of the company. Businessman. 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 The businessman expanded his company into international markets. Businesswoman. 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 The businesswoman is known for her innovative approach to technology. Commercial director. Commercial director. Commercial director. The commercial director is responsible for developing strategies to increase sales.